Welcome to Isuzu Service How-To, 4HK and 6HK injector replacement. Be sure to follow all applicable safety rules and precautions.
Follow published service information steps necessary to remove the cylinder head cover. Failure to follow published service info will result in severe engine damage. For this demonstration, we will be removing the number 1 injector. Loosen the injection pipe, clip, and harness bracket. Loosen and remove the fuel injector terminal nuts. Remove the pass-through connector. Remove the inside connector and the harness bracket. Remove the fuel injector leak-off pipe. Remove injector flow rate tab. Remove fuel injector pipe sleeve nut and remove the fuel injector. When it is difficult to remove the fuel injector, use the special tool EN50613 attached to the fuel injector fuel return line port. Discard used O-rings and seals removed during disassembly. Document the new injector flow rate along with injector position. The ECM must have this new injector flow rate programmed following installation to meet federal emissions and to prevent potential drivability concerns. Install the new injector O-rings and gaskets to the injector being installed. Install injector into cylinder head. Reinstall injector hold-down clamp and retainer bolt. Install the injector. Remember to apply engine oil to the outer diameter of the fuel injector hold-down bolt and the threads of the injector common rail connection. Loosely thread the fuel injection pipe sleeve nuts to the correct fuel injector. Hand tighten the fuel injector and common rail sleeve nuts until contact is felt between the pipe and the fuel injector. Pay close attention to confirm the fuel pipe is correctly aligned with the fuel injector. Torque the fuel injection piping in the following order. Refer to the appropriate service manual for detailed torque specifications. Torque the fuel injector clamp fixing bolts to the fuel injector to proper specifications. Install fuel injector pipe to the common rail. Install the fuel injector leak-off pipe with new gaskets and tighten the banjo bolts to the proper torque specifications. Install fuel injector harness connector pass-through and harness bracket. Torque fuel injector terminal nuts to the proper specifications. Torque fuel injection pipe clips to proper specifications. Torque fuel injector harness pass-through connector and harness bracket. Reinstall cylinder head cover per the workshop manual instructions. Using IDSS, complete the injector flow rate programming. Note: injector flow rate programming is required anytime an injector is replaced. Test drive vehicle to confirm the condition has been addressed. Again, failure to follow this procedure will result in severe engine damage.